There we go. Another week. Uncle Dan's 2020 Summer Games. Can I get a victory this week? Maybe. Because I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I think you'll get a kick out of this. Before we get into it, though, Trash Talking Mommy's getting her hair done. So I got pissed off Pops behind the camera. What's pissed you off this week, Dad? Anything?
Oh, the news every day.
Okay, there we go. That sounds perfect. I think it pisses all of us off. So for this week, when we get to the Summer Games, don't have food in front of me right now other than some garlic bread and salad. What goes great with those, you might ask? Well, that's where the cheating comes into play. You know what? Let's just show them, I think, what we have cooked this week. Come this way, Dad. Watch your step. Okay, so we got the Traeger right here. Zoom in on that. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you know what? I forgot to grab the thing. Just get a close-up of those. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, let's get them. Those look good. So we used a little bit of Uncle Dan's steak rub for these bad boys. They've been, oh gosh, I can't even get this one. There we go. Yeah, so with the help of Uncle Dan's, we got these bad boys right here. Okay, you're gonna follow me in. Look at that pro cameraman right here. That's all you need. Some meat and a little bit of steak and rib rub from Uncle Dan's. You can get that and all of these flavors up at uncledans.com, and I believe anything over $35 or more. Free shipping. You can't beat it. So should we get to the taste test, huh? Let's see. That looks really, really good. What are these again, Dad? London broil, is that what you said these are?
Yeah, London broil.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Smells good. It's gonna taste good too.